Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie. Today we're going to open up Augustus. So this is that special last stablemate of the year that comes out with all the last releases of the year. And it's kind of that if you belong to the clubs. This is not Premier though. This is just the Collector Club, I believe. So yeah, here's Stablemate Collectors Club 2024. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. He is so cute. It's the chocolate silver. That's my favorite color. That's my favorite color. A lot of action in that hind end. He's moving. Wow. Nice large face. Yeah, a little bit of box. Good thing to get him out of the box. That box was not going to be kind to him over time. People say, do you keep the boxes? No, and these guys I don't mind, but I don't wrap. I wrap them in tissue and I put it back in the box. Because these boxes can, over time, make rubs. So he's got a little bit of a wear. It's not through the paint, and he can still show, but it's enough that he needed to be out of that box. Oh, what a pretty boy. Pretty boy. Look at him. Ah, I love the silver. I love the chocolate dapple. I love the silver mane and tail. Okay. And I liked it before I started going gray. So, well, there you go. That is Augustus. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.